I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the RS200 variant and backing up the stock ECU map. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, connect the OBD cable and establish comms between laptop and ECU so you can read the current limiter values. Once connected, navigate to the ignition/fuel map area, locate the RPM cutoff parameter, and record its baseline value. Make sure to document each file name and timestamp to ensure you can restore the original settings if needed. You now edit the ECU file, find the RPM cutoff and rev limit tables, and raise the value in small increments, typically 200 to 500 RPM, so the engine's mechanical and valve timing limits aren't exceeded. While doing that, make complementary ignition timing or fuel adjustments to prevent knock and lean conditions. Once edited, run the ECU file integrity check and save with a clear version name. Make sure to keep the original file separate so you can revert if sensors report abnormal readings. You flash the modified map to the ECU using stable power and a trusted flashing tool. Confirm the write completed with verification. Once done, start with a controlled bench test or short ride, watching rev response, air-fuel ratio, and knock sensor feedback closely. If revs behave as expected, perform incremental road tests, retuning as necessary. If you encounter stumbling, excessive knock, or sensor warnings, immediately restore the backup map and reevaluate your changes. That single restoration step solves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.